On the new 2013 and above year models on the Honda Civics, they have an interesting feature for the turn signal. It's called the intermittent turn signal, where you just tap on the left turn signal and it blinks 3 times. Same goes for the right, so you don't have to do this or do that. And then also another cool interesting thing is loading images is a lot faster. Hit the menu button, go to customize settings, display setup, import wallpaper, pick your favorite one. I change mine every Sunday. Goes from my phone and my computer. So the interesting thing is that the wallpaper loads a lot quicker, loading images on the new 2013 Civics and above. The computer loads a lot faster. Then you just hit the center button. It says source. Save. What location? So we're going to replace that image. Yes. And see how fast that was compared to the 2012 models. It's a lot quicker. Thanks for watching. Peace be upon you.